issued a dust storm warning for Livingston County in central Illinois, southeast LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, southern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:46 p.m., a wall of dust was along a line extending from near Seneca to near Cornell to El Paso, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, near zero visibility with damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour. Source, emergency management. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. Including the following interstate, Interstate 55 between mile markers 188 and 229. This wall of dust will be near Odell around 9 p.m. Gardner and Sonneman around 9:20 p.m. Cullum around 9:30 p.m. Chatsworth around 9:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by this wall of dust include Campus, South Wilmington, Kinsman, Reddick, East Brooklyn, Verona, Ransom, Emmington and Strawn. Motorists should not drive into a dust storm. Pull aside, stay alive. There is no safe place on the highway when a dust storm hits. Visibility can be lost immediately, making it difficult or impossible to slow down and avoid stopped vehicles. Delay travel, or safely exit the highway before the dust storm arrives. Strong to severe thunderstorms are also possible behind this wall of dust. Keep updated with this quickly evolving situation. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KX.